Hello and welcome to Gadgets Kanishenti. If you like our content, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. All the links to the products are in the description below.
Number 1. The SwitchBot Pan/Tilt Cam 2K is undoubtedly an exceptional choice for anyone who values high-quality images and advanced security features. This camera boasts a range of features that make it an ideal choice for a variety of uses, from monitoring pets to safeguarding your home. One of the most impressive features of the SwitchBot Pan/Tilt Cam 2K is the image quality it provides. With 3 million pixels and a 2K resolution, this camera produces remarkably clear and detailed images that make it easy to see even the tiniest details. This is thanks to the upgraded CMOS and f2.0 aperture, which work together to produce clearer and more accurate colors, even in low light conditions. The 360-degree horizontal and 115-degree vertical rotation capability is another standout feature of this camera. This feature ensures that every corner of the room is covered, making it an ideal choice for use as a baby monitor or indoor security camera. With the 4-way split-screen view, you can monitor several places at once, giving you an extra layer of security. The motion and sound detection feature is another key advantage of this camera. When the camera detects motion or noise, it sends notifications directly to your smartphone, keeping you informed of any unusual activity. The automatic motion tracking feature is also highly impressive, allowing the camera to track motion and follow the movement, providing you with constant updates. The two-way talk feature of the camera is an added bonus, enabling you to communicate with people or pets up to 10 meters away through the built-in speaker. This feature is perfect for use as a baby monitor or pet camera. Additionally, you can control the Wi-Fi plug-in camera using Alexa or Google Home, making it even more convenient to use. With playback, it is possible to view historical footage from previous events, giving you a chance to review past activity. You can also set alerts to warn off unwanted intruders or only start recording when human motion is detected. The camera also has 4 preset points that can be set to quickly rotate to a specific location. The privacy mode of the camera is another feature that many people will appreciate. This mode enables the camera lens to be stored away and hidden when not in use, ensuring maximum privacy. Data can be stored locally using an SD card or uploaded to the cloud, depending on your preference. Overall, the SwitchBot Pan/Tilt Cam 2K is a highly impressive camera that provides outstanding image quality, advanced security features, and useful functionality. It is voice command compatible, includes playback, 4 preset points, and a privacy mode, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking a high-quality camera that offers convenience, security, and peace of mind. Number 2. As a member of the SwitchBot family, the Smart Color Bulb is designed to make your smart home automation simple and easy. By using the SwitchBot Hub Mini, you can integrate all your smart home devices to work together seamlessly, without the need for complex installations or technical knowledge. This makes it easier than ever to control and automate all your smart devices from a single central hub. The color bulb is an LED smart bulb that comes with a range of impressive features that make it perfect for any occasion. Whether you're looking to create a dynamic light show for a party, read or work without eye fatigue, or set the perfect mood in your home theater, the color bulb has got you covered. With 16 million colors to choose from, you can customize your lighting to suit your every need. The color bulb is compatible with a range of voice-controlled devices, including Alexa, Google Home, Siri, SmartThings, and IFT. This means you can control your lighting with just your voice, without having to use your phone or remote. You can also control the color bulb remotely using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz, without the need for a hub. With our user-friendly SwitchBot app, you can easily set up schedules to turn the bulb on/off with a single timer or repeated timers at different fade rates. This gives you complete control over your lighting, even when you're not at home. As a SwitchBot family member, the color bulb is designed to work seamlessly with other smart devices. By pairing it with the motion sensor and contact sensor, for example, you can create powerful automation rules that help keep your home safe and secure. The Midnight Guard feature can detect movement at night and gradually light up the color bulb to help you navigate safely, while the Security Partner feature can set a red light to turn on when the contact sensor detects any suspicious presence, alerting you to potential danger. The color bulb is also designed to be durable, energy-saving, and safe. With a lifespan of up to 25,000 hours and the equivalent of a 60 watts incandescent bulb, it's a smart investment for any home. Its flicker-free design helps protect your eyes, making it perfect for use in various lamps. And with our easy-to-use timer function, you can easily power on/off the color bulb, and adjust the brightness and color temperature to suit your mood. In conclusion, With the SwitchBot family of smart devices, you can easily transform your existing home appliances into interactive, fun, and intuitive devices. Whether you're looking to create the perfect ambience for a dinner party or keep your home safe and secure, SwitchBot has got you covered. The smart color bulb is just one example of the innovative and user-friendly products we offer to help you create a smarter and more connected home. Number 3. The SwitchBot lock is a smart and innovative solution to upgrade the security of your home in a quick and cost-effective way. It is designed as a retrofit lock that can be installed onto your existing deadbolt without any modifications to your original lock. By using the SwitchBot lock, you can enjoy the benefits of a smart lock without having to replace your entire lock system, which saves you both time and money. The SwitchBot lock is particularly notable for its ease of installation. Unlike traditional smart locks, which require complex installation procedures, the SwitchBot lock is simple to install, and no tools are needed. You can choose to use the 3M adhesive provided or drill, depending on your preference. This makes the SwitchBot lock an ideal option for renters or anyone who doesn't want to make permanent modifications to their door. Once you have installed the SwitchBot lock, it offers a wide range of convenient features. With the touch of a button on your smartphone, you can operate your lock and unlock your door without having to search for your keys. Additionally, you can unlock your door using a keypad touch, or even unlock your door remotely, which allows you to let guests or deliveries into your home, even when you're not there. The SwitchBot lock also supports auto lock and home sharing. With auto lock, you can preset lock timers, so when your door closes for a certain period of time, the SwitchBot lock will automatically lock it. This feature eliminates the worry of whether you remembered to lock the door when you leave the house. With home sharing, you can operate your lock via the SwitchBot app and share lock access with family members, providing extra convenience and security. When it comes to home security, the SwitchBot lock takes safety and protection seriously. Its use of ATS-128 center encryption ensures that the information transmitted between the lock and your smartphone is secure and not easily accessible to hackers. This means that your home is always protected, even in the event of a breach attempt. In addition, the SwitchBot lock comes equipped with an intelligent alert system that keeps you informed about the status of your lock. You can receive notifications and alerts when the lock is unlocked, not closed, or even when locking is unsuccessful after a specified time. This means you can always keep track of the status of your lock, whether you're at home or away. Moreover, the SwitchBot lock can be easily integrated with the SwitchBot Hub Mini, which allows you to control your lock using voice commands with smart assistants like Alexa, Google Home, or Siri. This feature enables you to open and close your door even when your hands are full, making it even more convenient to use. In conclusion, the SwitchBot lock is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to improve their home security and enjoy the benefits of a smart home. With its easy installation, comprehensive range of convenient features, and compatibility with a variety of different locks, the SwitchBot lock is a reliable and cost-effective way to make your home smarter and safer. Number 4. If you're looking for a way to upgrade your home to a smart home, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to introduce you to an amazing product that will make your life easier, the SwitchBot Blind Tilt. With this product, you can make your existing blinds smart, and control them with your smartphone, voice commands, or through automation. First, let's talk about the installation. Retrofitting blinds can be a daunting task, but the SwitchBot Blind Tilt makes it easy. You don't need to replace your existing louvers, and there's no need for disassembly. The installation process is straightforward and takes only a couple of minutes to complete. You can enjoy the convenience of smart blinds instantly. Second, the SwitchBot Blind Tilt is suitable for horizontal louvers with rotary bars that measure between 6.2 mm to 12 mm. The package includes 3 blind tilts and a SwitchBot Hub Mini, which makes it perfect for any home. The Hub Mini connects to your home Wi-Fi network, and it allows you to control your blinds remotely, even when you're away from home. Third, the SwitchBot Blind Tilt features a built-in 2000 mAh lithium battery that provides endless solar battery life. Yes, you heard that right, the product comes with a solar panel for charging, making it environmentally friendly and convenient. The battery life can last up to 3 years or more, depending on usage. Moreover, the single unit with a solar panel can last up to 10 months on a single charge. Fourth, when in Bluetooth range, you can control up to 4 units of blinds with one button through our app. Also, you can set unlimited groups when used together with the SwitchBot Hub Mini. This feature is useful for controlling multiple blinds simultaneously. The app is user-friendly and intuitive, and it allows you to customize your settings according to your preferences. Fifth, the SwitchBot blind tilt provides a wide range of control options. You can use the app to control your blind tilts whenever you want while at home. When paired with the SwitchBot Hub Mini, you'll be able to use third-party smart assistants such as Alexa, Google Home, and Siri to control your blinds remotely. This means you can open or close your blinds, adjust the angle, or even set timers using voice commands. Sixth, the SwitchBot blind tilt provides precise adjustment control. It includes a built-in light sensor that automatically adjusts to help you maintain constant light intensity. Plus, it uses a customized high-precision motor to allow for blind adjustments to the closest 2 degrees, providing you with precise adjustment control. SwitchBot Blind Tilt is an innovative product that makes your existing blinds smart and easy to control. You don't need to replace your blinds, and the installation process is straightforward. The product is environmentally friendly, convenient, and provides endless solar battery life. You can control your blinds with your smartphone, voice commands, or through automation, and you can customize your settings according to your preferences. In conclusion, if you're looking for a way to upgrade your home to a smart home, then the SwitchBot Blind Tilt is a perfect choice. It's easy to install, cost-effective, and provides a wide range of control options. So, what are you waiting for? Make your life simpler with SwitchBot Blind Tilt. Number 5. SwitchBot is a company that specializes in creating innovative smart home products that are easy to set up and use. Their smart switch button pusher is a versatile and cost-effective solution that allows you to retrofit all existing appliances or light switches in your home, without having to replace them. This can be a great way to bring the convenience of smart technology to your home without having to invest a lot of money. One of the best things about the SwitchBot Smart Switch Button Pusher is how easy it is to install and set up. You simply attach it to any switch or button using the included 3M sticker, which takes just 5 seconds to install. There's no need for tools or swapping, and you can use the app to operate it within Bluetooth range. You can use the bot twice a day, and the battery lasts approximately 600 days. This means that you won't have to worry about constantly replacing the battery or dealing with complicated installations. Once the SwitchBot bot is installed, you can control it with the SwitchBot app. The app is easy to use and offers a variety of features that can help you automate your home. For example, you can schedule built-in timers to turn your lights or home appliances on/off automatically, even when you're away. This feature is incredibly useful as it frees up your hands and makes your life more convenient. You can also use the app to control multiple SwitchBot bots at once, making it easy to manage all of your smart devices from one central location. If you want to take things to the next level, you can add the SwitchBot Hub to your setup. The hub supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and allows you to control your SwitchBot from anywhere. This means that you can turn your lights on or off even when you're not at home, or you can set up a schedule to make it look like someone is home when you're away on vacation. The hub also enables voice control, which means that you can use Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, or if to control your SwitchBot bot with just your voice. Another great accessory to consider is the SwitchBot remote, which is sold separately. With the remote, you can turn off the light with just a push of a button, without even having to use your phone or voice control. This can be a great option for situations where you don't have your phone with you, or you don't want to shout across the room to turn off the lights. In addition to these features, the SwitchBot ecosystem offers even more customization options. For example, you can use the scene feature to set specific and unlimited timers to the bot. This can be a great way to create custom schedules that match your daily routine. You can also use the SwitchBot bot with other smart home devices, such as smart plugs or smart thermostats, to create a fully integrated smart home. In conclusion, the SwitchBot Smart Switch Button Pusher is an excellent choice for anyone looking to transform their home into a smart one. It is easy to set up, versatile, and cost-effective. You can use it to retrofit all your existing appliances or light switches and make them interactive, fun, and more intuitive in just a matter of seconds. With the SwitchBot app, you can schedule built-in timers to turn your lights or home appliances on/off automatically, even when you're away. And with the SwitchBot Hub and Remote, you can control your SwitchBot bot from anywhere and enable voice control. So why wait? Try out the SwitchBot bot today and see the difference it can make in your life.